everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing another model unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing this 1957 Chevy Bel Air hardtop. Bought this model a ways back. Here's a little look at what you can do with it. Looks like it's just got the steel rims. Maybe once we get into it, there'll be something else. But we'll get it opened up here. Get a look at it. It's this kit's produced by AMT. Yeah, it looks like it was boxed in 2001. Oh no, it was boxed in 2006. I don't know if you can see that or not. The kit number on this box is 31543. Get the plastic off from it. Not that I need another project going, but I'm thinking about this being my next box stock build. Well, semi-box stock. I believe I've heard them recently referred to as box stock plus. So get a little modification, but not a ton. Right out of the gate, we have our instruction manual. Look, we got a decal sheet. Comes with a California plate. I don't usually put plates on my model builds. It does have a California plate, and it's got the Chevy plates. I'll just set this off in the side here and go through the instruction manual real quick. Set that off to the side. Not a huge manual. Looks like you can build it in drag and custom. So here's your first page. Here's page 2. And then here's your back page. Not bad illustrations. Tells you what all the parts are. Like it comes with an engine stand. It's got a 409 and a 283 with it. It comes with 2 bags of chrome. It looks like they chromed out the rear axle and the rear leaf springs, at least in this package. Got some headers up in here. Some velocity stacks. You know what those are? Got a chrome water pump, chrome valve covers, velocity stacks, some upper control arms or A-arms for suspension. Yeah, of course, your big chrome bumpers. It does have a set of, looks like probably, I'm guessing, Kraggers. And it's got 2 chrome steel wheels right here. That's your headlight housing. It's got a chrome steering wheel, chrome fan. This is the part that goes in the tail lights. I'm going to leave the chrome in the package for now. I'll set this over here. Okay, I'll set all this stuff off to the side, and I'll bring you over. We'll get you right in close for the rest of the unboxing. Okay, so we got a package here with some steel axles, 2 steel axles with it. We got the tires and the reds for the tail lights, all right there. That's what's in this package. I'm going to leave this package closed too. That'll keep it from getting causing any issues with the glass and the clear lenses, which is in this package. And get right into this package here. Bring the box back. So we got our inner rims right here. Looks like this is some aftermarket parts for if you wanted to do, I'm guessing, if you want to do like a street machine or the drag car. Well, that's really not a good view, is it? Looks like some shock absorbers and some headlight housings up here. There's shock absorbers down in here. This is some sort of assembly for like either a front or rear support structure. You got some engine parts here. You got a manifold and a manifold. You got a fan belt assembly. You got your cylinder heads. It looks like a seat back. Got your 4 steel rims here. And these look like probably some sort of carburetor velocity stacks, I'm guessing. These are the 2 blocks and the 2 transmission halves right over here. One's a 409, one's a 289. Some more cylinder heads, your air cleaner, your oil pan. Looks like an oil pan and starter, maybe oil filter. These look like they're probably seat belts. Manifolds down here. You got a battery. I think this is like an air intake or like a heater motor. I don't know. I don't know if it tells us that or not. This is your standard steering wheel and your water pump. This is a little engine stand. I guess you can build both engines and prop one up, so that's kind of neat. Got some nice racing seats here. I got seat belts molded into them. Steering column here looks like traction bars of some sort. It's your front seat. A really good looking dash here. Got some good detail in it. And your interior is all molded in one section, except for the seat and the dash, I guess, and the steering wheel. So you got your hood. Pretty good looking hood. It's got some sort of like a swirly mark right in here. That'll have to be sanded a little bit. Apparently this car comes with a baby gator and a roll bar. Then you got your undercarriage. Looks like the mufflers are, the tailpipe mufflers are all molded in. Got some pretty good detail under there. You know, your like your little crimps and stuff in the steel. Even got muffler clamps right there. So that's that. This is a strong contender for, like I said, my next mostly box stock build. Well, here's the glass. Front and rear windows. Your headlights. I don't know what this thing is. I guess it's if you build like the drag version. There's like a little something in there. I'll get the body out, look that over. Not a bad looking body. Got some good thickness on the panels here. Your panel lines are probably going to have to be deepened a little bit. They're not very deep. The body's a little bit shiny. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got that swirl thing in the roof. It's got one over here in the door. Those just have to be sanded because you can't get rid of that with paint. There's one right above my thumb. The body does have just a little bit of rock. Good engine bay detail. Overall, pretty nice car. It's got some parting lines here. Got the wipers molded in. I wish the model companies would get away from that. But that will conclude out this video. Another halfway decent unboxing. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Until we see each other again, everyone out there be safe and everyone stay blessed.